To always allow an app to access all of your photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find the required app. As the example, we will try with Samsung Messages app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Under privacy section, tap permission. Find photos and videos. And then tap it. Now select always allow all. With this setting, the selected app, in this case Samsung Messages app, will always be allowed to access all of your photos and videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.